Hi, I'm Rolf. You're watching Getting It Hot with Rolf, the weight loss challenge edition. I've got a goal in mind for myself. I want to get down to 220 where I was about 30 years ago. I started my quest back in February. I've dropped about 30 pounds. It's tough to say because I have a fluid retention problems and it fluctuates. I currently have about 4 pounds of fluid on me. So the short that I showed where I dropped exactly 30 from 291 to 261 is a little bit off. I actually weigh less. That's pretty good in my books. I'll take it. Anyway, one of my problems is I cannot have salt, and I cook for 3, 4, 5 people at a time, plus myself, and they like their salt, so salt goes in. So now I'm going to start cooking separately for myself and avoid the salt and having to get rid of the extra fluid. What the challenge is, I'm challenging you, if you need to drop 5 pounds, 10 pounds, 100 pounds, is to set a goal, small goal, whatever that might be, 5, 10 pounds, and achieve it. And then set your next goal. And slowly you'll get down and you will reach your goal. The hard part I found over my lifetime is keeping it off, maintaining the weight that you want to be at. So the minute you start popping on a couple of pounds, it's time to get back on that diet, whatever diet you're choosing. I just eat less of what I like and stop stuffing my face with things that I shouldn't be eating, like that box of Oreos or that bag of chips. Anyhow, just type in the comment section below that you're in, what your major goal is, whatever that might be, and what your interim goal is, 5, 10 pounds is suggested. And then let us know when you reach that and what your next goal is. All right, good luck. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.